I really?
Please, for the Lord God, they're disturbing us. And
Please? Shut up! You're disturbing us. We have children sleeping over here. Stop it!
Turn it up louder. Watch out, man. Give me that thing. Give me that thing.
I'll film you.
Ryan.
Here you go.
That is so funny.
Here, let me record you. Here, let me record it. I'll record
That,
Here, go, talk. Go.
That is disturbing the peace. Stop it! Stop mulching trees in Pinecrest.
Do it again.
What do you think this is? Some kind of factory? This is my house. My pool. What is going on with this world that a man can't recover from a surgery on his couch and sleep? What is going on? Do you see those crutches? Do you see this? Huh?
are they looking? Someone. Wait, they're gonna make more noise. Fuck that.
Do it again. Say, hey, you didn't hear me?
Come on, what's up? Burn down the mulcher. It's bothering my children.
I love this.
They can't even hear it. They can't even hear it, dude. They really can't. I know it looks like a madman. You gotta see the video.
Causing a riot. This is hilarious.
I know, one time, listen what I did. One time a guy didn't pay me. Listen what I did.
Give me that shit.
Listen, years ago, when a customer wouldn't pay, and I went in front of his house with a bullhorn.
Like that one?
Yeah, loud like that. Let me do a video. Oh, there it is. Now you can hear it.
You talk, Dad. I don't want to do it.
You left it going. You hear all that noise? There we go.
Turn down the mulcher. Turn it off right away. Come on.
Say, shut that shit up. Go.
Turn it off. Turn it off. Turn it off.
Hey.
Turn it off. Turn it off. Turn it off. Get it out.
He's over there filming.
Say.
There he is filming.
Go. Say, come back here.
You're disturbing our family.
Say, hey, you boy, come back here. Do it. Dang it. Come here. Give it to me. Come here.
Yeah, but you're hiding in there. Get over there and film them bitches. Go in the corner over there.
No!
You said you wanted to be a goddamn.
I'm not a documentary like
you're a
filmmaker.
Hey, go over there.
Have you had enough? Have you had enough? Yeah, get that truck out of the backyard, buddy. Yeah, pull it on out of there.
Look what they're pulling out. A whole snorkel truck.
Let me
Are they
see.
leaving? Are they actually leaving?
Oh my
God, finally, you guys are getting out of here!
Landon's good. Come on.
Oh my god.
There they go. With
Verbal assault on the.
Are they actually leaving?
Yeah. No.
They are, because they're not supposed to do that on Saturday.